Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my freebie advent calendar. Yes, throughout the month of December, from the 1st to the 25th, I'm going to be sharing every single day a December daily, and I'm going to share a free printable for you guys to download and enjoy. Free printable to use for junk journal, card making, any sort of papercraft project. The freebie is available to download on my Facebook group, so keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome to day number 8. I just want to take 20 seconds just to say thank you so much for your love and support, and I know how much everybody is loving my freebie series. I do every year, December, every day you get a free printable from me as a little ways to say thank you for what you do for me throughout the year, watching my videos, put a like, comment, of course buy my kit, subscribe to my VIP subscription so you get kits every month, you know, join my social medias. Every support that you guys do for me is highly appreciated. So the freebies is just a way from me to say thank you. So today this is the freebie. Ta-da-da! It is what I wanted to create. I personally love the contrast that the grey, the color grey has with the other color, more than black and the other colors. To me, grey and the other colors makes a fantastic color combination. So in here you can see the grey and the red, or the grey and the white, or in here on the bottom there is a bit of green, the grey and green. I love that. So this kit is called Letters from the Attic, and I will put a link on down the bottom if you guys want to have a look. So it's a large kit that is basically been designed across letters, all vintage letters. There are some letters from the Queen as well. Love that. So created a couple of backgrounds. Love that. This is 2 sections put into 1 page. You got another background, another 2 pages merged into 1. I love the vintage side of it. It just feels, yeah, that's the title, you know, Letters from the Attic, because you tidy up the attic and you find treasures from the past. There is a page with all the letters that you guys can cut. I love these. This is the London, that's the River Thames, and that's the bridge. What I did on top, I just put some writing. It wouldn't be a kit without some embellishments. You get a page with 2 rectangular envelopes and 1 scallop envelope. Then you get a page with tags. So this kit is fabulous if you do like journals, because you get backgrounds, you get pages, you get embellishment, you get envelopes, you get tags, you get also everything that you need to create journals. There's another page with gorgeous tags. And of course, because my kits are very versatile, I always give you a couple of gift boxes. This one here is a pillow box. Okay, very simple, that you can layer it either with the butterflies or you can use them as an embellishment. And these are thread bobbins. Okay, so this is the kit. It's called Letters from the Attic. It's one of them. It's very popular, and I can see why you guys like it. And this is the freebie. Okay, so all the freebies can be downloaded on my Facebook group, and I can show you in just a minute how. Okay guys, so this is the homepage of my Facebook group. So it's not a page, it's the group, so feel free to follow the link. So once you are in the group, you need to, of course, on here you see all the chats and conversations and what myself and all the members have shared. On here, if you click on files, you see all the freebies that I have shared for a very long time. So please go and help yourself. So if you click on the 3 dots and you click on download, and you will automatically download the freebies. Okay guys, let's finish the video with a positive quote. This is my 365 Days of Calm. It's a book called Quotes, Affirmation and Activities. So today is number 34. It says, Do not let behavior of others destroy your inner peace. Again, be kind, what we said yesterday. In a very busy life, don't let negativity from other people destroy your positivity. And I always said that if you shine positivity, people get positivity. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really huge big thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube. Guys, if you also like it, please consider subscribe and click on notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Hey guys, do you need some more ideas and inspiration? If the answer is yes, I put 2 videos on the screen now where we made some different large size pockets. Okay, so keep watching, and until tomorrow, stay safe and well. Bye.